money rush fallacy. Again, this lesson goes over what we see with a lot of new traders coming into the market, where there's this rush or need to make a ton of money very quickly without any skill or experience to do so. And for whatever reason, with this market, with any other skill set in life, whether you're really good at baseball or basketball or whatever sport or interest or hobby, it often takes the person, years and years to truly improve and perfect that craft. Yet for some reason with the markets, people think that as long as they have capital, the experience goes along with it, when that's very rarely the case. So as much as there's this big rush to start to trade and try to make money, what most often do is they lose money as a result because they don't know what they're doing. And that's exactly why we put this program together, to help teach you and show you the mistakes that most traders make to avoid become parts of this, this common money rush fallacy, which is very similar to when someone goes to a casino and starts gambling money and they're up $500. They treat that money with not the same respect as they would had they worked and made the $500. And that's also when it comes to the market, when you have some of those first easy wins, it can be easy to think that this is going to go on forever and you can make 1 or 2 or 3% every single day. And if you do, you'll be a millionaire in 6 weeks, or whatever the extreme promise is. But in reality, eventually, the dumb money, comes into play, and that's where the losses occur. So the main point of this lesson really is just to understand that with anything in life, it does take time to master any skill set. And this is no different. And that you need to be patient with your expectations. And if you are, that money should come in time, but it's not going to come overnight. It's not going to come once you complete this lesson or even this program, but it's a good stepping stone to kind of get you started. And the main thing here, again, we want to focus on in this task is on the weekly saving aspect. Again, most new traders are, how much should I start with? How much I need to invest? And that question usually doesn't mean much to us. Our biggest focus is always, how much are you going to save weekly? That's what's the most important. That's what's going to grow the account consistently. That's how you're going to be familiar with the P&L swings of your account as it grows. If we were just to give you $100,000 tomorrow to trade with, and you're fully invested in the stocks down 5%, $5,000 loss is not going to be something that most people are going to be able to stomach their first day of trading. That's why we want you to start very small and grow that account, that when you get to that point where the account can drop 5% and you can stomach that $5,000 loss, it's not going to, ruin your week or your month. It's just going to be, a part of the market. So again, that's the main point of that lesson.